How to find your language settings on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find your language settings on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings, and here all you need to do just go down and click profile information, and then click this one, basic info. Click on edit here, and then all you need to do just go down and you will find here languages, and you can add your language and then just click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.